Hey there, and welcome to another episode of Drunk Mom Reviews. Tonight I am gonna make it rain. Actually, sprinkle. How am I gonna make it sprinkle, you might ask? With the help of this bad boy right here. This is the RainPoint one zone water timer with a smart hub. So basically, this guy is the ultimate Wi-Fi and Bluetooth device to help you water your yard or lawn exactly the way you want to, without having to put it in some like crazy expensive irrigation or like sprinkler system. You know what? I mean, those will cost you thousands and thousands of dollars, you know? And who wants to spend that? Okay? Because this thing is super affordable, people, and all you have to do with the RainPoint is attach it to your outdoor faucet and your hose, and then whatever sprinkler type accessory you want. And it's like magic. It's like boom, you are ready to start watering. And this is the water timer right here that you put on your outdoor faucet, and you connect it, your hose right here. And this is the smart hub that you plug in somewhere in your house that's like, it's like within 100 feet of your timer. And you can put these puppies all over the place. And you can cover multiple areas if you want. Or you could just use one for a concentrated area, people. So let me show you how it works. Once you attach it to your faucet and you plug it in the smart hub, you connect to it with either like Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, and then you just open up the app, which is super easy to use. And then you set up your watering schedule exactly the way you want it, like that. So I have an area in my backyard that never seems to get enough water, okay? So instead of, spending all that money to get, extra sprinklers put in or whatever, we just needed to add the RainPoint. And then set up the watering schedule, which I did for once a day in the early morning, and that's it, okay? I don't need to ever worry about it. Like I said, I just do everything. I mean everything through the app. So even if I'm on like vacation or whatever, I wanna like change the schedule or turn it off altogether because there's like some rainstorm coming in, I can, okay? So I can still do that from my phone, people. It's pretty genius if you ask me, You know what I mean? We don't have any grass here at this house, but of course, this would be perfect for lawns or any area you want to water, because you can hook up any sprinkler accessory and put this thing up, okay? This RainPoint Smart Hub basically gives you complete control and flexibility at a super low cost. So if you are someone who wants a quality product that can solve any watering issues you have, well, this is it. Like, I don't know, let's say you have just one pesky spot that never seems to get the right amount of water and it's always dead. This is the perfect solution, and depending on the amount of water needed to take care of that area, you can decide exactly how much it needs and gets. That's pretty crazy if you think about it. You can even use it in like a little garden area to give your homegrown veggies the right amount of water, okay? Those veggies need some love. Also, there are all kinds of other RainPoint accessories that you need to add because they're incredible, people. Okay, they have things like soil moisture meter or a 2-zone timer. So cool. So you need to look into those as well. Okay, if you've got watering issues at your house, order your RainPoint products today and get that yard looking like a damn oasis. Okay, the link is in the caption, and make sure you like, subscribe, and comment all those good stuff, and I will see ya on the next Drunk Mom Reviews. Bye, y'all.